the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah, to know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty question. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. I know you like the headwraps for the beauty they bring. I know you like the hair up for that African look, but you know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah, to know how to sell them right. You gotta need tutorials, yeah. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Everyone wants to look so nice, especially the makeup be on point. We talking of face beauty, some nice makeup. We talking of head beauty, some nice headwrap. We talking of hair beauty, some nice hairwrap. I've been thinking of searching on YouTube, get some knowledge, thinking of searching on YouTube, yeah. You get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, you get the beauty tutorials from there. Adela Gentima, Adela Gentima, yeah. Adela Gentima, oh. Adela Gentima will answer your beauty questions. Adela team will answer your beauty question. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. Adela team will answer your beauty questions. You get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, you get a beauty tutorials from there. Adela team, Adela team, yeah. Adela team,